What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're going to be replacing ignition coils on a 2007 BMW 328i. Let's get started. So of course, first things first, let's open the hood. So the first thing we're going to do is remove this top cowl. And we got two more tins over here. So there's supposed to be another one right there and there, but it's not there. Now it's ready to lift up. Out of the way. Now we're going to remove both covers. So there's supposed to be an 8mm here, and then on the same thing on the other side, and there's not. So somebody's been down here before. Then you're gonna remove these connectors, twist and pull out of the way. Set that right there. This side is not in its place. Let's move that out of the way, and just remove that 8mm. This is already removed, so what you would just have to unclip those. Should be like that. You just grab that, put it down. Now we can grab the cowl and move it out of the way. Now we're going to remove the beauty cover. It's going to be held on by 5mm hex head bolts. One right there, one right there, one right there, and one back there. And as you can see, they didn't put that bolt back on there, but that one just doesn't look like it. Now we can remove the cover. Slide it out of the way. Now we have the ignition coils exposed. We can just pop the tab like that, and the connector falls out. Move it out of the way, grab your coil, twist, and pull it out. There's one. And if you lift up the tab and it doesn't pop out, just grab yourself a pocket screwdriver, just put in a little, and then just push it out. That easy. Same thing for the last three in the back. Pop it out. Alright guys, I got a smog that just came in, so we're going to put a pause on this. I'm going to go smog that vehicle, and then we'll get back into it. Hey guys, his Hyundai passed the smog, if you guys wanted to know. Let's get back to work. So these are the ignition coils I'm going to install. Delphi Technologies. And that is the part number right there. Let's get them installed now. And basically reinstall in reverse order. And on this side, since it didn't come with the bolt, I'm going to put one of these little plastic tabs in them. Now it's secured. And I found a couple of bolts for the ones that weren't even on. Now let's go start her up and confirm our repairs. All right, guys, and that's it. Plain and simple. Pretty straightforward, huh? All we got to do now is clear the code, run the monitors, make sure everything's set, not misfiring no more, and then do the smog. All right, guys, I got back from the test drive. It ran great, ran smooth. I got the OBD connected, and I got the smog running right now. We'll see if she passes right now. And she's done. She passed the smog. No more misfiring. Now she can register her vehicle. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next episode.